Are you confused by Nikon lenses? Don't know which one is best for which situation or which one to buy? This video will give you a solution to all of your Nikon lens confusion. Don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom, taking you from beginner to better to business. At photographersfreedom.com, and of course right here on my YouTube channel, you will find photography tutorials, camera gear reviews, photography business advice and more, all designed to help you no matter where you are in your photography journey. Subscribe if you like the sound of that and ding that bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. Right now, let's take a look at a fantastic online resource that will give you all the information you ever needed to know about Nikon lenses. There is such a broad variety of Nikon lenses available that it can be mind-numbing trying to figure out which one is the right one for you. And a lot of these lenses are really expensive too, and you don't want to spend that much money to find out that it wasn't right for you. So how do you understand Nikon lenses and make the right choice in the first place? Well, I just discovered Nikon Lenses, the Complete Guide by Greengo on creativelive.com. As you can see here, 11 hours and 36 minutes of video footage that will have you understanding Nikon lenses like you never thought you would. You will learn Nikon lens basics, focal lengths, wide angle lenses, telephoto lenses, rule of thumb, focal length rule of thumb, field of view, aperture basics, depth of field, starburst. Look at all this stuff, guys. There's 57 videos there, 11 hours and 36 minutes, and you're going to learn all of that stuff. Just as a little disclaimer here, I just want to say that if you're not a technical kind of person, if you don't understand or enjoy a lot of technical kind of speak, then you may not enjoy this video resource. That being said, though it does contain a lot of technical talk about the inner workings of lenses, it does really help to understand that in order to know which lens you need for which situation. So consider that before you purchase, but it really is a fantastic resource. Okay, for copyright purposes, I can't show you a lot of the course, so let's just have a quick look at a bit of the introduction here.
I couldn't even afford a single Nikon lens. I had a couple of aftermarket lenses. And I knew lenses were important, and I'd open up that glossy brochure that was so nice and had all those lenses. And I knew there was a reason for each of those lenses, but there was really very scant information about how and why you would use each of the different lenses. And it was really frustrating because I wanted somebody to walk me through this whole lens thing because I knew it was important. Well, fast forward 25 years to today, all right? The information age. The internet is a literal dumping ground of information. It is a landfill.
Okay, so that's Greengo. He's the guy that presents the course, and as you can see here, he's an award-winning photographer specializing in outdoor and travel photography. Shooting for over 3 decades, John has developed an unrivaled understanding of the industry, tools, techniques and art of photography when he's not traveling for a new shoot. Now he does, like I said, he does geek out a little bit about lenses. The man loves his lenses, but he knows so very much about Nikon lenses, and he's going to teach you all of that knowledge, and it's just amazing. So you can see here at the moment it's on sale for $29 US at the time of recording this video. That may change in the future, but when I recorded this video, that's what it was. So for that price, this is just an incredible amount of information that you're getting. I've put a link in the video description to where you can download this guide for yourself from Creative Live. The end to all of your Nikon lens confusion could be just a couple of clicks away. Go for it. While you're there, why not check out the Creator Pass? This is their subscription-based access to over 1,500 plus courses. And it's not just photography skills that you can learn either. Creative Live has courses in self-improvement, in entrepreneurship, art and design, music and audio production, and so much more. 2021 is the year where you need to level up your skills and knowledge, and creativelive.com is where you can do it. They have amazing specials on their Creator Pass right now, as you can see. So check that out while you're there. You just click on the blue Get the Pass button in the top right hand corner of any page. That is Nikon lenses, the complete guide. In the video description below, remember there is a link where you can get more information about it and purchase it too. I know that you'll be happy that you did. You shall never be confused about Nikon lenses again. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so and ding that notification bell. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots. I'll see you soon.